Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Home Bakers. So first let us extract the zipped file Home Chef Online. Now you can see that the file is extracted and inside the folder you can see the Home Bakers which includes all the PHP files and the PDF which includes the Home Bakers PDF that includes the documents of the project. Let's copy Home Bakers and paste it in local disk C in XAMPP folder inside htdocs folder. So once it is pasted, we can execute our code. For that we have to open XAMPP control panel. So now let us open XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL server. We can see that the servers are running. Now let's copy the name of the folder Home Bakers. Copy the name and open the browser. In the browser type localhost / and paste the name of the folder, that is Home Bakers. And this is how we will execute the project Home Bakers. Now we can see our website Home Bakers. But we can see an error there, that is unknown database Home Bakers. That is because we have not uploaded the Home Bakers. So let's open the browser and type localhost PHP MyAdmin, which will open MySQL server. So under databases in the MySQL server, write the name of the database, that is Home Bakers. Create the database and click on import and click on choose file. So here we must import the database. The database is present in the Home Bakers folder inside backup folder, that is Home Bakers. A SQL file is present. Open that file and upload it and click on go. So this will take some time to upload. So once it is uploaded, you can see all the tables that is present inside the folder inside the database. So now click on refresh and you can see there is no error and the database has been imported successfully. The website is a platform for home-based chefs to showcase their unique culinary skills to the world with regular income. The Home Bakers is a destination for online food ordering where customer can order food from a home chef with just a few clicks, and that too by paying through online. This website connects with the homemade food makers and the admin will monitor the entire website. Now let us log in as admin under staff login. So click on login and here the admin must log in using the admin ID and password. The default login ID and password is admin. So once the admin logs in, the admin dashboard is available. Under staff profile, the admin can make changes to their profile, and in change password, the admin can change their password. Under admin menu in add location records, here the admin can add the various locations, that is under which locations the website is working. So the location name and the description must be mentioned, and then the location will be inserted, and under view location the admin can view the various locations added by them. The admin also has an action to edit and delete the locations, and under add city the admin can add the city by mentioning the location, and then the city command come under that location must be mentioned along with the description. So the city detail is added and this can be viewed under view city. Here the admin has an action edit and delete. Under add offer detail, here the admin can add the offers offered by the website for the customer. So the offer type must be selected, and then the offer title and the offer code must be mentioned, and the offer amount must be mentioned. That is under flat discount what will be the amount deducted must be mentioned. And what is the validity date of the offer? That is the start date of the offer and the end date of the offer must be mentioned. On clicking on submit, the offer will be applied successfully, and under view offer details, the offer details can be viewed by the admin. So here the admin can also delete or edit the offer details. Under users in add staff, here the admin can add the staff by mentioning the employee type, whether it is an admin or a employee, and then the name of the employee, the location of the employee, and the login ID of the employee must be mentioned. Then the password and the confirm password of the employee must be mentioned. The employee details can be viewed under view staff. Here all the employees added by the admin can be viewed along with the action edit and delete. In view customers, here the admin can view the various customers, and under add home chef, here the admin can add the home chefs. That is by mentioning the home chef name, the email ID of the home chef must be mentioned, the password and the confirm password must be mentioned along with the address, and then the location must be selected, and the contact number must be mentioned, and the food type must be mentioned, whether it is a non-veg, veg or an both. Then the image of the home chef must be added. Then there is an option for description where the home chef can elaborate about themselves. So on clicking on submit, the home chef details will be added to the website, and the admin can view the various home chefs under view home chef. So here the various different home chefs can be viewed by the admin. The admin can also deactivate the home chef view, and also they can delete the home chefs. Under food item, in add food item, here the admin can add the food items by selecting the name of the home chef, and then by selecting the food category, food type, the name of the item, the item cost, and item image must be mentioned. The item description and the status must be selected as active, and then the item detail will be inserted successfully. And under food item, in view food items, here the various different food items can be viewed by the admin along with the action edit and delete. In add food category, here the admin can add the different food categories by mentioning the food category name, food category description. And then the food category image and the status must be selected. Now under view food category, the various food categories can be viewed by the admin along with the action edit and delete. So under report, in payment report, the payments made by different customers to various chefs can be viewed, and along with their payment type and the cost, all the details about the payment can be viewed. And in food order report, the orders done by various different customers along with the delivery status can be viewed by the admin. In view payments, here again the payment made by different customers can be viewed along with the payment details and the order status and the address details. Under view, they can view it in detail. They can also print the bill. Under income report, the income obtained from each order to the website, that is a commission for the website, can be viewed here. For each order, what is the commission obtained can be viewed here. So this is about admin. Let's log out from admin. Now let us register as chef. The chef must register using the chef name, the email ID, the password and the confirm password must be mentioned, and the location must be selected, and then the contact number must be mentioned, and the food type, that is whether the customer will provide veg food, non-veg food, or both of them. And then the chef image must be mentioned, and then on clicking on register, the chef will be registered successfully. Now let us log in as staff, that is as admin, and let us confirm or let us activate the chef. So as the admin logs in, under admin menu in users, under view home chef, here we can view the various home chefs, and here under this we can view that there is a pending status. Clicking on activate, the chef will be activated. So we can see now the chef is activated, and the admin can also deactivate them or they can also delete them. So let's log out from admin and let's log in as a chef now. So the chef can log in using the chef login panel, and here they can log in using their email ID and their password. So as the chef logs in, they must update their profile by entering their complete address. Once the updation to the profile is done, on clicking on submit, the profile will be updated. So here under description, they can give any descriptions. So once the profile is updated, under food item, in add food item, the chef can add the different food items by selecting the food category, then the food type, whether it is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, then the item name must be mentioned and the cost of that item must be mentioned. Along with that, the image of that item must be mentioned. And the description about the item must be given so that the customers will know more details about the item. So once item detail is entered, under view food items, the chef can view the items uploaded by them, and they can also make changes to it or they can delete them. Under view food orders, here the chef can view the orders only when the customer orders for the food. Now let us see under home chef profile. Here the chef can update their profile, and in change password the chef can change their password. So now let us log out as a home chef. Let us register as a customer. The customer can register by mentioning the customer name, email ID of the customer, the password and the confirm password, and the contact number must be mentioned. So once it is registered, they can log in using the email ID and their password. So the customer must select their location, and they can view the home chefs present in that particular location and the food items available, and by means of home chef or by means of food menu they can order the food and add to order the food and click on modify your order. So add to order list and click on modify your order, and your food will be ordered. Here the customer can choose the quantity and then click on checkout. So you can see the cost, and if there are any offer code, the customer can add the offer code, and if that code is available, then they will get a discount, otherwise they will not get any discount. Then under that there is a payment detail option where the customer must make the payment online. So here the customer must mention the payment type, card holder name, the card number, CVV number, and the expiry date of the card must be selected. And we can see the delivery address where the name of the customer and contact number, the address and city of the customer must be mentioned, that is to whom the product has to be delivered, their address must be mentioned, and the date of delivery and the time of delivery must be mentioned. So on mentioning the time, must keep in mind that the website is available only till 10:30 p.m. and later it doesn't deliver the products. And at the daytime it will be available from 9 a.m. So the website is available from 9 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. So within that period the delivery time must be mentioned. So once the payment is made, the order will be confirmed. So we can see that the order status is ordered. We can print this bill also. So the customer can make updation to their profile here, and they can change their password under change password by mentioning old, new and confirm password. Under customer account we can see that we have ordered from this particular chef, and on clicking on track order we can view the order details here. And under report, in order report we can see that the order status is pending because the chef has not yet confirmed the order. Now let us view under order report that the order status is pending. So let us log out from customer and let us log in as a chef. So the chef can log in using the login ID, and that is email ID and the password. So we can see that there are 2 orders for the chef and one order status is ordered. And under view food orders, here the chef can see the orders from the customer, and on clicking on process the order status will be updated. And there is an action called pack, that is to pack the order, and clicking on OK the order will be packed. Now it is time for the customer to view the orders, that is in income payment. We can see that there is no earnings because order is not confirmed yet, order is not delivered yet. In view payments we can see that the payment is made but the order is not delivered, so the customer must assign the order delivery boy, and then the delivery boy will be assigned, and once the item is delivered the status will be set as delivered. So once the item is delivered, under income report we can see that what is the amount obtained for the customer. So the amount was 250 and 37.5 was the commission for the website, and 215 is the amount what the chef got. Now let us log in as a customer again to check the delivery status. So the customer must log in using the email ID and their password. So once the customer logs in, we can see that under track order, the order status is delivered. Now if you check the order report, we can see that the item is delivered under order status along with the name of the delivery boy, and the bill also can be viewed with the order status delivered. This can also be printed. So now let us log out as a customer. So this is about the project Home Bakers. Thank you for watching the video. Further queries, kindly visit our website. Thank you.